Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Alright guys, you know what time it is? I think it's time for another design inspiration video. Today is the first day of spring. That's right, spring is officially here. So when I think about doing my spring or seasonal refreshes in different areas in my home, what I usually do is I look at Pinterest and YouTube and Google and everywhere and look for ideas. So that's kind of what I've done. And what I'm going to do here in this video is share some of the photos and things that I've found with you. Again, I hope you enjoy this video. And remember, these are not my designs, so I want to give credit where credit is due. But again, I hope you enjoy the video. And hey, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and that notifications button. And you know what? I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.